Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go over the conversation and vocabulary for Chapter 4, and then make sure you're going over that every day while we're out here so you're in good shape when we come back and you're ready for the test. So I'd recommend listening to this video and then reading through it every single day. Okay? So let's go ahead and look on Página 100, so page 100. ¿Qué te parece el colegio? What do you think about the school? Me parece estupendo. It seems great to me. ¿Te parece que los profesores son difíciles? Do you think the professors are difficult? Sí, me parece que son excelentes, pero algunos son difíciles. So yes, it seems to me that they are excellent, but some are difficult. ¿Crees que la profesora va a llegar tarde? Do you think that the professor is going to arrive late? No. Yo creo que llega pronto. No, I believe that she's going to arrive early or could be soon. En tu opinión, ¿es buena la nota de 8.5? So in your opinion, is a grade of 8.5 good? Sí, para mí es una nota buena. Creo que me voy a salir bien. So it seems to me that is a good grade. I believe that I am going to do well. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next page. Deberías tomar historia con el profesor Ramírez. You should take history with Professor Ramirez. Debes estudiar más para sacar buenas notas. You should study more in order to make good grades. Hay que trabajar mucho en la clase. One must work a lot in the class. Es importante hacer toda la tarea. It's important to do all the homework. Okay, and if we go ahead and turn the page, a couple of pages actually, to 106, page 106. ¿Conoces a los profesores Ramírez y Gómez? Do you know the professors Ramirez and Gomez? No, no los conozco. ¿Quiénes son? No, I don't know them. Who are they? ¿Conoces a María Luisa? Do you know Maria Luisa? Notice the personal a in front of both of these here. Sí, es la nueva estudiante que está en mi clase de química. Es buena gente, pero un poco floja. So yes, she's a new student that is in my chemistry class. She's a good person, but she's a little lazy. Okay. ¿Conoces el restaurante El Rincón? Do you know the restaurant El Rincón? Sí, es mi restaurante mexicano favorito. Yes, it's my favorite Mexican restaurant. Okay, go ahead and look at the comparisons on this page. 107. Miquel es más famoso que Deschamps, so Michael is more famous than Deschamps. Deschamps es menos famoso que Michael. Deschamps is less famous than Michael. Michael es menor que Deschamps, so Michael is younger than Deschamps. Deschamps es mayor que Michael, so Deschamps is older than Michael. Mi hermano dice que Deschamps toca la guitarra mejor que Michael. My brother says that Deschamps plays the guitar better than Michael. Mi hermana dice que Deschamps juega al basketball peor que Michael. So my sister says that Deschamps plays basketball worse than Michael. Okay, página 111, page 111. Pienso ir al cine este sábado. ¿Quieres venir? I plan to go to the movie theater this Saturday. Do you want to come? Sí, me encantaría. Yes, I'd love to. De acuerdo. Paso por ti a las 6. All right, I'll pick you up at 6. Mejor a las 7 porque cenamos a las 6. Better make it 7 because we eat dinner at 6. Si quieres, nos vemos en el cine a las 7:30. If you want, we can meet at the theater at 7:30. Muy bien. Entonces quedamos en vernos a las 7:30. Very good. Then we agree to meet at 7:30. Okay, turning all the way to the end of the chapter to look at el vocabulario. Right? ¿Crees que? Do you think that? En tu opinión, in your opinion. Me parece, it seems to me. Me parece que, I think that. Me parece que, I think that. Para mí, for me. ¿Qué te parece? What do you think about? ¿Te parece que? Do you think that? Yo creo que, I think that. Aprender de memoria, to memorize. Aprobar, to pass an exam. Apuntar, to make a note of, to write down, to bookmark. Cometer errores, to make mistakes. Copiar, to copy. A correo electrónico, electronic mail. Deberías, you should. Debes, you should or ought to. Dejar, to leave behind. El email, email. Entregar la tarea, to hand in homework. Es importante, it's important. Hacer preguntas, to ask questions. Hay que, one must. Internet, internet. Llegar a tiempo, to get somewhere on time. Navegar por la red, to surf the net. Olvidar, to forget. La página web, web page. Perder, to lose, to miss. Preocuparse, to worry. Prestar atención, to pay attention. Repasar, to review. Sacar buenas notas, to get good grades. Salir bien, to do well. Seguir las instrucciones, to follow directions. Suspender, to fail. La telaraña mundial, World Wide Web. Tomar apuntes, to take notes. El web, World Wide Web. Okay. Moving on to the second section, segundo paso. Let's look at these words here. Aplicado, aplicada, studious. Conocer, to be familiar with something. Conocer a, to know a person. Notice the personal a there. Creativo, creative. Distraído, distraída, absent-minded. Enthusiastica, enthusiastic. Estricto, estricta, strict. Exigente, demanding. Flojo, floja, lazy. Generoso, generosa, generous. Honesto, honesta, honest. Justo, justa, fair. Responsable, responsible. Torpe, clumsy. Más que, more than. Mayor que, older than. Mejor que, better than. Menor que, younger than. Menos que, less than. Peor que, worse than. Okay, looking at the third section. La cita, appointment. De acuerdo, all right. Hacer cola, to stand in line. Hacer planes, to make plans. Me encantaría, I'd love to. Mejor, better. Merendar, to snack. Mirar las vitrinas, to window shop. Pasar por, to drop by and pick someone up. Pienso, I plan to. Platicar, to chat. Quedar en, to arrange to do something. Reunirse con amigos, to get together with friends. Si quieres, if you want. Tomar el metro, to take the subway. Okay? Make sure that you're reviewing Chapter 4. Let me know if you have any questions.